In this video I'm going to do a review about an iPad base I've been working on, and it's by the brand Eletiuo and it's called the Pad Base. Welcome to Stayf Drawers. I'm Stayf, a Dutch artist, and I've been working on this iPad base and I really love it. The great thing about this iPad base is that it is very sturdy, and I bought it on Amazon, so this is not a promoted video. I bought the product myself, but I really like it. And I've been working on this iPad base for 2 months, and I really enjoy, working on it because you can use it on your desk, and it also got some rubber so it won't slide. And I'm also using it while drawing with the iPad and the iPad base on my lap. And you can change the angles behind the iPad stand, and it's all made out of bamboo. I really didn't like the light color in the beginning, but now it feels a little bit like an animation desk, because these animation desks were always a little bit lighter. Also, a big plus is that you can add your lightning connector, so you can load your iPad while you're working with this iPad stand. And there's also a separation just for your Apple Pencil to lay your Apple Pencil. And this is the 12.9 inch, which is around $60. And there's also a smaller version if you have a smaller iPad. Another great feature is that you can also connect your Apple Pencil. If you have an Apple Pencil too, you can put it on top of your iPad, and they've made a little space so that you can take it on and off, and that you can also connect your Apple Pencil too. So you can find it on Amazon, and just go to your own Amazon and then type in iPad base Eletiuo, and Eletiuo is the brand of the iPad base. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!